Put it back on your head. This idiot freaking burned her head. Okay, put it back on.
There's no ice.
Just put it like you were doing it anyway. So we're going on a mission.
It's a mystery trip.
Don't zoom in.
Okay, but how do you zoom in?
Just
Oh, okay.
Okay guys, so I just finished school and I'm graduated. So anyways, so we're going on, me and Avia literally just hopped on a train. We don't know where we're going. Yeah, back to our bags. We're low-key running away from home.
We don't have like anything booked. We don't have a hotel booked.
Yeah.
Mama was like, oh, I want to go on like a little grad trip. And I was like, okay, I'll take you. Like, let's just go. Hop on the train.
Yeah, and
Like, guys, like,
seriously, like, we don't know where we're going.
yeah, I was so excited. I like burnt my forehead. I was so excited when she told me. I just wanted to say, do you guys remember that vlog? The one with her mom, and she said she's gonna kill me. Well, clearly that didn't happen. I'm still alive and healthy.
She's the voice behind that call.
Yeah.
She's just as ugly as she sounds.
You said I sounded really good.
Oh, by the way, guys.
Well, by the way, this is sponsored by Drink.
Yeah.
This entire trip
I'm
is
gonna
sponsored by
caption
Drink.
it right here.
Shout out to
Sponsored by
Drink,
Drink.
Six God, Champagne Poppy. Thanks for the trip.
Love you, boo boo. Break it to you, Biha. I am sick, and I didn't want to tell her before because I knew she wouldn't come on the trip with me. But now you can't do anything because you're.
I'm just gonna get a separate room.
No, you're not. We're sleeping on the same bed. Okay guys, update. So we have to get out of the train because it was the last stop and we literally don't know where the hell we are. We're in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. I don't know where we are. Hey guys, okay, so we ended up in some random Airbnb that Reem decided to rent, and now we're here. We just got ready. Oh, I don't know if you can see my face. We just got ready and
They can see your face, like, you know.
honestly, Bia, like, now we're heading out to go eat, I guess. And yeah, where are we gonna go eat?
McDonald's.
Yeah, you can go to McDonald's.
Oh shit. No. I'm not ready. Hey guys. Wow, this Airbnb is really decorated. Yeah, it feels so
Okay guys, so basically update, we ended up in this dirty my friend's house.
It feels really homey here.
Feels what?
Guys, I don't like my outfit.
Yeah, like you look like shit.
Listen.
Can you get up? Like, what are you wearing? Okay, first of all, hold on. She's wearing this ugly shirt that you wear to concerts, and then these ugly ripped jeans that.
You said these were cute.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, outfit of the night. H&M, Amazon.
Yeah, Walmart.
I didn't.
Yeah, I sure didn't.
Travis Scott, concert. H&M, socks. H&M.
Okay, what about you?
Old Navy, Uniqlo. Modernisa? Yeah. Modernisa.
Okay, my turn.
You can hold yours.
My sister's a Jawline, Tides of Noor, Forever 21, Adidas, and socks. No, I actually got these from Dollarama.
Oh, they have the best socks though.
Yeah, my shirt is from H&M.
No one asked.
No one asked you.
No, I think everyone asked. Like,
Introduce your vlog channel.
Hey guys, so everything
she
social
doesn't even
media,
have anything on there.
everything on social
She has
media,
like a stupid video of her
Shut
going to school.
up.
everything on social media, REEMALWAKEAL. All right.
And we don't care about Biha because she's
Anyway,
Because I was already mentioned before.
ugly.
Because I actually contributed to Momish's things and I actually watched them on time. Unlike
Yeah.
my other friend.
Actually,
Yeah.
you're right. I mean, she's right.
I gotta go.
Hey guys, so it's currently what time? Can you guys come in the damn vlog?
It's 12 o'clock.
We don't know where we are. Like, we just went to some Middle Eastern place to eat food and it was not good. I'm not gonna say their name because I feel bad, but it was not good. Can you
Up high,
stop?
and there's like 7 people watching us.
Well, I'm famous, so
I can't.
deal with it. All right?
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Tunchi, you can't make up your mind. Please don't waste my
Rain, connect your phone!
No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
playing Drake, audio Bluetooth.
Drake, I'm at Lagari. So we came all the way here
Yeah, what'd she say?
to Metro to get some breakfast for tomorrow because we're like, we need food. And we forgot what's tomorrow, like Easter Day or something?
It's like Good Friday.
Yeah, like everything's closed, so now what? Rain, what is it called? Oh, Superstore. Change this dirty ass song. Thank you. Like, why do you have an answering machine for a grocery store?
Are you guys that busy at like 1 in the morning?
Hey guys, morning. Don't know where I left off last night because yeah, like last night was just a mess. But I woke up and I'm sick because someone forgot to
I'm sick too.
close the damn window, and now I'm
Okay,
sick.
so when we came back, it was really hot. So I'm like, okay, let's open the window and let's just keep it like
It
that.
wasn't that hot though. That's the
You
thing.
wore a t-shirt.
I always wear a t-shirt. Where's the third idiot?
Dumb and dumber.
Yeah, it's 1:30 and now we're going for breakfast. Where are we going, guys?
We're not going for breakfast.
I am.
It's a look.
I didn't notice the freaking pink shoes were gonna.
Yeah, like they look really ugly. It's really cold.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
Let's run.
No. We have to walk because no, we don't have a car today.
Why don't we have a car?
We don't have a car today.
Yeah, and are you gonna let us drive that?
No, so let's run.
No. You said it was 5 minutes.
Bro,
It's literally been 25.
we're right here. We're right here, guys. Look.
And like, what are you doing? No one cares about you in the back. Stay in the back. Came all the way to Symposium and they said they're not hungry. So why do we come?
I'm actually like really full, bro. I didn't eat anything. I just want water.
So then we should just go home.
I'm not walking back.
Stop complaining about everything.
Okay, Abia needs to get out of my vlog because she's so ugly. Comment down below if you think she's ugly. And like my video if you think she's ugly.
That's so rude.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Show everyone your case. Like, it's so ugly. Why? Tell me why the hell was. I think you're bougie with these lemons.
This is why you're sick. The stuff like a good immune system. That's why.
Like I think you just need to. Thank you. Sorry. I think Abia needs to cut. Like, I'm actually so sick of her bullshit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Tell them what happened. Why are you so mad?
I'll tell them. So, what the problem is that I got a phone call this morning and my mom called me and she's like, oh, my entire family's going out for dinner. And I was like, where? And she's like, Mississauga. Just beep it out. Anyways, the issue is that I'm hanging. No! Why? She's upset that I can't take the bus back with her. Like,
You're gonna go eat brown food and you can eat it at home.
I that's me on that shit, bro. That's me on that shit. Like,
why are you going? Like, why are you on your side?
Sorry. You guys asked me if I'm hungry now.
Okay, wait. Should we get something and share? We want to get something like to share.
Okay, I like vegan stuff. You don't. So
I know that's gonna go down like carrot stew or whatever you like. I don't want any of that shit. Like,
Why don't we share a flatbread? Me? Okay, yeah. Wait, I thought it was me and a flatbread. Hold on, what's flatbread like?
hold on. Only me and Reem are sharing. Reem, move your hand.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would.
I came all the way here. I walked in the rain to get bread. No. Oh, the rain stopped us. Let's go back.
I don't want veggies. Like, shit. What the kind of stuff?
This girl does not eat her veggies. We went yesterday. We got like rice and shawarma and the veggies. She didn't eat any of it.
I did. I had the salad.
Yeah, I did. I didn't waste food like mom.
Okay, it's not about you. It's about mom.
It's stupid. Like always.
Abia feels really left out when me and Reem are together. I understand why, because you know she's wasting stuff. But like we try to incorporate her into our little group, but sometimes she's just beat. So, right, Reem?
What's the difference between creamy iced cappuccino and iced cappuccino? We did it. We finally ordered. So how long did that take? It took us
Abia, like you always look like you're crying. Like just get out of my videos. Like I don't need people to be so upset when they're watching my videos.
It took us half an hour to order. I'm feeling feel so relieved right now. Aren't you like hungry?
No.
Shit, she actually got up and left.
What basically happened when you were gone?
Hey guys.
Okay, I'm sorry, sister. Okay, guys, so basically what happened was that for the 5 minutes that you were gone, Mom should have gone to a fight and Olivia just stepped out and left. I don't know where she's going because she doesn't know.
My pussy wet.
This is supposed to be serious.
Sorry. Okay, yo, I guess don't know what happened. I just told the Biha, what did I tell her? I just said, oh, the last scene you guys saw, I said get up and leave. She actually cut.
So I don't know where she's going because it's raining and she's not even from the city, so I don't know how far she's gonna go. But I was sitting there.
Okay, come here. We're just telling the story.
You guys are so rude. Move.
Finally got her food.
It's just fruit. You don't need to really take that.
Hey, you want a diet?
I'm telling you, I eat such like unhealthy.
Woohoo! We just finished food. We were sitting there for about like 3 hours. Yeah, we just finished.
They know me. They know me.
Yeah, this is my friend Reem. If I haven't introduced you guys to her, follow her at
vlog is
Reem
done.
Wakil. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I think we're gonna end the vlog right here.
We are.
So
Bye, guys. You're not in.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
okay, guys. So that brings us to the end of the vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Any word sweets?
Thank you for tuning in and see you next time on. What's your channel called?
Excuse me?
Ma Vlog.
Woohoo! Where's the other idiot? Rick, what are you doing?
Don't worry. Like, why are you so worried about me all the time?
Look, you look like Kajal.
Isn't it?
No. Peace. Say peace, Abia.
No.
Alright, bye.
Abia, say peace.
No, leave me alone.
Like, you
I'm
look
so
ugly,
sick
just-
and tired of you.
Say peace. Peace. Guys, don't forget to
Comment, share, subscribe.
like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, you gotta know.
Okay.
Say it again.
Bye.
Say it again.
Comment, share, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Say it like that.
What's the difference?
Just say it.
Comment, share, like.
Read! You're short on memory loss. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
No, edit this part.
Can you shut up? Like, we're trying to film.
Yeah, like, Kajal, we don't care about you. You're actually dirt.
I hope your phone gets lost or something.
I think I just had a heart attack.
Hey, as you know, me and Reem don't like Abiha. She just has been trying to stick with us since grade 7, but like, cut out.
Let me cut. Let me
Just cut out of here. We don't like you. Like, that's the truth. I honestly, Abiha, I'm gonna say the truth right now. I don't like you.
The only reason she was here is because we have a group chat.
A lie, like, that's when that shit. Like, no, we don't like you.
That's so rude.
Get out right now. Abiha is salty, so like, I have to give her my sincere apologies. Like, she literally started crying. Yeah, she started crying. So
I like really don't care.
yeah, it's okay. Like, wipe your tears quick. There's one more dropping on your face. Just quickly wipe it.
I just really don't care.
So don't forget to